Matt.
Hi, Franny.
What are we going to talk about today?
What do you want to talk about?
I want to talk about how to flip a house, or how to sell your house like you're flipping it. Have you heard
Sell
of
your
that?
house like a flipper.
Yes, that's
Yeah,
it. We're working on that title.
that's a good way to
Have you
start.
guys ever heard of that?
Flipping a house? Whoa!
What is that? So, yeah, I think that's a workshop I would like to offer.
I think it's a good idea. I think, I've seen a lot of flips, and I've seen several good ones,
Mm-hmm.
mostly bad ones.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. What makes a bad flip?
Well,
When you say that, what do you think?
Well, they don't finish it for one thing, or they do things kind of halfway, or they use obviously cheap materials,
Mm-hmm.
things like that. The best flips I've seen have been houses that people lived in
Mm-hmm.
that had made improvements for themselves as much as anything else. And with that being said, the quality is way above someone who just buys a house is looking to flip it for the money.
Right.
So owning a house
Mm-hmm.
and making improvements to it is completely different than flip.
Right. So I think this is a great idea. I think us helping people to figure out when to do that. Like when
Right.
do you like
Right.
you're getting
Well,
ready
see,
to
so
you're getting ready
so
to
this happened to me, right?
renovate your house or somebody.
My
yeah.
last house, we lived with this messed up tile floor in the bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
The entire time we lived there, and it was like, oh, if we're going to sell this house, we got to fix that floor.
Mm-hmm.
And so we fixed it, and sold the house.
Mm-hmm.
We should have fixed that floor 10 years earlier, but at the same rate, is like there's certain things that you're going to have to take care of so you can sell your house.
Mm-hmm.
But in the meantime, you can do nice improvements to your house and enjoy them, and still have that added value
Mm-hmm.
in the long run.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay. I love it.